No, the song.
May request si MC.
Oh, ano yan?
If I was your man daw. Gusto niya kasi yun.
When I was your man. You know that, Bruno?
Powers your man?
Sure, of course.
Oh, alam niya, syempre, kanta niya yun eh. Oh.
Although it hurts, be the first to say that I was wrong. Oh, I know I'm probably much too late to try and apologize for my mistakes, but I just want you to know.
Hey, wow! Tatawagin pa ba natin yung number 3?
Huwag na pa. Huwag na tayo kay
Tatawagin.
Wow!
You're so good, Bruno Mars. You know the Philippines loves you.
Yeah.